What's up, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video here on the Next DIY Lawn channel. Guys, we're back with yet another episode of What's in the Jug. Today, guys, we're talking all about the N-Ext 402 Floragreene. Now, this product is the go-to fertilizer for all applications, tree and shrub. Now, when you apply this product, it will absorb through the leaf, the stem, and the cambium layer, where it will then be distributed through the circulatory systems of trees, plants, shrubs, and or palms. Now, as far as application rates go for this product, no matter what scenario you're running it through, the application rates are going to be very low, so it just goes to show you're getting more out of less, folks. If you guys would like to see all the different scenarios that you could use this in when it comes to trees and shrubs, I will leave down in the description below the DIY spec sheet that comes with the 402 Floragreene that you can find available at greenecountyfert.com/DIY. And when you do apply this product, it is acceptable to apply it as a soil application. However, it is more ideally formulated for a foliar application. When you do stick to those low application rates, you have no risk whatsoever of burning the foliage on the plant. Just make sure those applications do not take place when temperatures are above 80 degrees Fahrenheit or below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If you do that, you'll be good to go. You won't suffer any damage, and the overall bloom and appearance of your plants will thank you. If you have any fun stories on how you've used the 402 product to help enhance the overall beauty of your landscape, please leave those stories down below. Myself and the team at Greene County Fertilizer would much appreciate that. That's all I have for you guys today on this episode of What's in the Jug.